another NTA debacle. Well, after the NEET net mess, in fact, the National Testing Agency has postponed yet another key examination. This is the CSIR UGC net examination that we're talking about. In fact, the National Testing Agency says that the examination has been postponed due to logistical reasons and unavoidable circumstances. Of course, as I said, this is the latest in a series of key examinations that have suffered great irregularities, alleged irregularities. Of course, that's all in the realm of investigation, and this is the latest examination to suffer postponement. Of course, the NEET examination had various allegations of paper leak. In fact, re-examination for over 1,500 candidates will take place, and of course the UGC net was cancelled. Why has the CSIR UGC net been cancelled though? My colleague Prashant with more details.
Well, it's a big setback for all the students who have been preparing for these exams. It's a very disappointing news which has come today for them. Last few weeks have not been very good for these students who have been preparing for competitive exams after the fiasco in NEET exam, which was marred by controversy surrounding alleged paper leaks and other irregularities. The NTA, National Testing Agency, had to cancel the UGC NET exam also just a day after it was conducted on June 18th. And now this news has come as a setback for all these students. In its press release, NTA has only said that CSIR UGC NET exam has to be cancelled, is being cancelled because of unavoidable reasons and because of some logistic issues. Apart from these two words, nothing has been said by NTA so far. Nothing has been disclosed by NTA so far. They have only said that due to unavoidable reasons, this exam is being deferred. This was, as you know, this exam was to be conducted between 25th of June and 27th of June, but now NTA has decided to defer it. NTA has advised all the students who have been preparing for this exam to get in touch with them either through their website, and NTA has advised all the students to visit their website to get all the updates regarding this. And they have also set up a help desk, and they have released 2 telephone numbers also on which students can call and seek further inquiry if they have any. So this is a sort of disappointment for all the students. Apart from students, this is also there is also a big question mark now on the ability and efficiency of National Testing Agency also, because after the 2 exams that I just mentioned, this the cancellation of the deferment of, so to say, this CSIR UGC NET exam has come as another blow for the students. So NTA will have to answer a lot of questions now, and NTA will be under a lot of cloud, and there will be questions asked, and the parliament is going to start from 24th of June. So opposition will get another opportunity to corner the government and target the government. So NTA as well as the government will have to answer a lot of questions. But as of now, the CSIR UGC NET exam has been deferred, and NTA has said that they will soon announce the next date for this exam also.